A bed bath is performed to maintain the patient's personal hygiene when they are unable to bathe themselves due to illness, surgery, immobility, or other medical conditions. It helps cleanse the skin, promote comfort, stimulate circulation, prevent infections, and assess the patient's overall skin integrity. This procedure also provides an opportunity to establish rapport with the patient and observe for signs of pressure ulcers, rashes, or any changes in physical condition.
I am Raven Tan. Your birthday? I am born on April 13, 2005. Sir, check ko lang po yung wristband nyo. Yun po yung naka-invade po sa mga sinabi nyo. Hawakan ko po kayo, sir. Sir. Hi, Sir Craven. Ang gagawin po natin procedure ngayon, i-bed bath po ito. Kung okay lang sa inyo, sir, mag-ask po ako ng permission. Hahawakan ko po kayo, sir. Pakisabi na lang po if may hindi po kayo gusto or uncomfy po kayo. Sure, no worries. Okay, sir. Start na po tayo sa procedure, sir. Okay, sir. Taas ko lang po yung ulo niyo po. Sir, pupunasan ko na po yung mukha nito. Sir, sa kamay niyo naman po, sir. Taas ko lang po. Okay, sir, pupunasan ko na po. Wala naman po, sir. Ano po, sir? Sa paa naman po. So, iangat ko lang po itong gumot niyo po. Pwede pong pakitaas, sir. So, iangat ko lang po, sir. Tapak mo lang po dito. Okay sir, angat nyo lang po. Okay sir, sa kabila naman po. Okay, taas po sir. Asa pa atas po. Asa pa asay naman po. Sir, yung procedure naman po ay sasampuan ko po kayo. Iusog ko lang po kayo dito po.
Shampooing the hair helps maintain scalp and hair hygiene, removes excess oil, dirt, sweat, and dead skin cells, and promotes a sense of cleanliness and well-being. For bedridden or immobile patients, regular shampooing prevents scalp infections, irritation, and matting of hair. It also allows the nurse to assess the scalp for dandruff, lice, lesions, or abnormalities, while providing comfort and promoting relaxation for the patient.
Gusto ko sa po sir. Gusto ko po kayo. Okay sir, tapos na po. Next naman po tayo yan sir sa oral line po. Tututbrushan ko po kayo sir.
Oral care is essential to maintain the cleanliness of the mouth, teeth, gums, and tongue. It prevents oral infections, tooth decay, bad breath, halitosis, and gum disease. In unconscious or debilitated patients, oral care reduces the risk of aspiration pneumonia caused by the accumulation of secretions and bacteria. Regular mouth care also promotes comfort, stimulates appetite, and allows early detection of abnormalities such as sores, bleeding, or infections.
Okay sir, na nga po kayo sir. Paano po sir? E po, sir. Okay na po, sir. Pupo kayo ulit, sir. Ito, sir, panggalsan niyo. Sige po, sir, gapo ulit kayo. Okay po, sir, tapos na po tayo sa bed bath, shampooing at oral hygiene po. I-document ko na lang po yung mga ginawa po natin. Ayun lang po, sir.
Back massage promotes relaxation, relieves muscle tension, stimulates circulation, and enhances patient comfort. It is especially beneficial for bedridden patients as it helps prevent pressure ulcers by increasing blood flow to tissues. Massage also allows the nurse to assess the skin for redness, irritation, or early signs of breakdown. Additionally, it provides a therapeutic, comforting touch that supports the patient's emotional well-being and nurse-patient rapport.
Hindi po ba, sir? Masakit po ba dito, sir?
Nakahanap ka, Josh?
Ay po, sir. Okay na po. Okay po, sir. Harap na po kayo, sir. Nagayan ko na po kayo. Okay na po, sir. May mga nararamdaman pa po ba kayong sakit sa likod, sir?
So far, okay naman na after nung massage thing.
If may other concern kayo, sir, i-ring nyo lang po yung bell. So, para po makapunta po. Makapunta po ako dito and ilalagay ko na lang po sa church yung mga procedure po na ginawa ko. Para ma-document ko yung mga ginawa po sa inyo para i-document ko po. Yun lang po, sir. Salamat.